So as I'm finishing up a few other videos, I thought I would shoot this one out real quick. This is the Primo little portable electronic water dispenser. As you can see, I've got it in my hangar here, and found this to be a pretty good solution for filling up all kinds of random stuff like spray bottles. You always kind of need water around, right? So I use it also for drinking water. The closest drinking water I have is the FBO, and a lot of times I forget to bring a drink to the hangar if I'm working on the plane or whatnot, so it's nice to kind of have this around to, well, use it to drink and fill up random stuff. Just fits on one of these 5-gallon water jug things. It's very simple, just fits right over the top there and has a tube that runs the link down to it. When you flip it around, it's USB powered. It comes with a cord that just plugs right into the wall, or if you don't have electricity in the hangar, which is pretty cool, this option, it has a rechargeable battery in there, and you can use just a micro USB plug. So you just hook it right up to a USB pack, one of those little battery packs, and charge it up, and this thing will last forever and a day. I think the little box thing next to me says 25 gallons with every charge, so that's definitely more than enough that you need. But again, just a short video to kind of give you a heads up, and cheers.